Alright, so someone has asked me, how do I clone big-AGI? Step 1, Google big-AGI GitHub. Big-AGI GitHub. Step 2, click on Enrico Ross big-AGI. Step 3, click the code button and then get the clone URL. Now note this, to use this you actually need Git on your system and you'll need to know how to use terminal, but I'm gonna assume you already know how to use Git. Open your terminal and then you just go git clone the URL and that should clone it. Okay, once you've cloned it, you cd into it. Yours is probably going to be just cd big-AGI, but once you're in that folder, you run npm install, but I use yarn, so I'm just going to write yarn. This will install all the modules. So that's done installing, and then if you have npm, you just run npm run dev, but since I'm using yarn, I'll do yarn dev. So if you get this error message, cannot find modules MUI/material, either do npm install at MUI/material, or if you're like me, you go yarn add. But yeah, just install that and then run yarn dev again, and that will spin up the server for big-AGI, which will have it'll tell you the port that it's on. Ours is on port 3000, so you can just go to that URL in your browser and boom, we got it. We have big-AGI running locally. Now there's a couple benefits to running big-AGI locally. One of them is you get the latest dev branch. So that means you get all the latest features that might not be released yet to the public, which is really cool. And another reason that running locally is great is you can interface with your own local models without having to expose your inference server to the whole internet. So that's something that someone has asked on my TikTok to show me how to do. So yeah, we'll run this locally. That's step 1. Step 2 is actually interfacing with LM Studio or whatever you use. It'll be kind of similar, but we're just going to use LM Studio because I think that's the easiest. So I've already installed some models. I'm actually really liking this Tiny Llama model. It's really small. It's not the smartest, but yeah, you select Tiny Llama. First you click on this local server tab on the left here. It looks like 2 arrows. Load your model. You'll need to have the right preset. Zephyr works well with these Llama models, so I'm just using Zephyr. GPU offload, I've had it to -1, which has it on the max because I can run all the layers of this Tiny Llama on my GPU. And then you click start server, allow the access if you need, and you'll see here that the server is started on localhost 1234. And then we go back to big-AGI, and we can, on here where it might say the current model, you click that, you get a drop down, go to models, add, and then LM Studio, and then you just set your API to whatever the LM Studio says. It's probably by default localhost 1234, and then you can click the refresh of the models and hope it'll show you the model that you have loaded already, which is Tiny Llama for me, which is perfect. You can set the temperature, so the higher the temperature, the more likely it's to hallucinate, but it'll also be really creative. So depending on what you're doing, if you're doing something that you don't want it to be very creative, you do 0.1 or 0. But if you want it to be very creative, I don't know. I think like 0.4 is decent, so we're gonna do that, and that's it. We have Tiny Llama, so now you can select it from the drop down, and it'll actually talk to your local model now. So we can ask it anything, and if you have LM Studio open on the side, you can actually see the logs from the server while we chat. So I'll be like, tell me a story about bananas, and you can see here on LM Studio we're getting the logs, and this is fully generated locally. You can see Tiny Llama is really fast. It's just a 1 billion parameter model, and it's telling me a story about bananas. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there was a boy named Ravi. He had his love and care for his family and friends. One day he noticed his neighbor had an entire crop of bananas lost to a vicious monkey. Yeah, so that's how you run big-AGI locally with your local model.